Today, we're delving into the hottest TikTok trend using CapCut, AI Expand Image. This incredible AI feature breathes new life into your images, and the best part? It's absolutely free. First things first, ensure you have the CapCut application installed. If not, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store, download the application. It's free. Also, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version for a seamless experience. Now, launch the TikTok application and search for AI Expand Image. You'll find a plethora of videos showcasing this template. Pick any video with the effect. I'll choose this one. Tap on the CapCut icon and try the AI Expand template. Select Use Template in CapCut, and voila! You're now in the CapCut application, where you can get a sneak peek of how your video will look. Hit that Use Template option, and you'll be directed to your photo gallery. While some templates may require a specific number of photos, this one lets you add up to 6 different photos. After adding your chosen images, tap on the Preview button and let CapCut work its magic. Watch as it creates a captivating video using the power of AI, expanding your images into fascinating, funny, and creative results. And there you have it, the ultimate TikTok trend using CapCut. Keep in mind, you can also repurpose your video for Instagram Reels. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your CapCut creations with me. I'm eager to see your incredible TikToks. Until next time.